Hello my friends, and welcome back to the channel. Today I will be showing you how I created my very own ring holder, and it was very inexpensive. You will need a cookie sheet that I found at the Dollar Tree, some foam, scissors, and glue gun. The first thing that we are going to do is to trace the desired shape, and I'm just using a marker. Right after that, I am going to get those scissors and just cut it out. Right after that, I am going to hot glue the foam to the cookie sheet like so. And then I will get a blade and I'm just going to make a straight line, and that's where my rings are going to go. And if you notice, it is super easy to make, so I just went ahead and eyeballed the next line. If you want to have an even amount of lines or an even distance, then I do suggest that you do your measurements. For me, eyeballing worked just fine. I'm gonna go ahead and cut out lines like so until there's no more space left. You are going to end up with something that looks like this. And now I am ready to organize my rings. I started by putting my silver rings right on the first part of the cookie sheet, and then on the bottom half I went ahead and put in my gold rings. This was perfect to fit in my drawer. That is it, my friend. Hasta la vista. Mwah. Adios.